me ask you something. Do you sometimes feel like your talents are wasting just because you are staying at home with the kids? Or you have been thinking, I wish I could earn something from home, but don't really know how to start? Well, today I just want us to talk about digital skills, because in this season, right, it's no longer a luxury. They are actually your key to freedom and flexibility. And the thing is that being a stay-at-home mom doesn't mean you are not productive. No, because in the first place, you are running your household, running the little human beings you have, okay, ensuring that everything is in place. So to think that you are not being productive is not so fair, or you are not being fair to yourself. Okay, you are doing a lot, however you just want to have something to do that helps you to be more relevant. Okay, you want to get a certain skill that helps you to become more relevant in this dispensation. Especially if you are watching this video, it means you have a smartphone, and with your smartphone, trust me, you can do a lot of things once you know what you have to be doing. Imagine adding a digital skill, all right, to your routine, something you can learn at your own pace and eventually turn into income or impact. Okay, so if you are not even going to earn, and you are going to be able to help other people in your own special way, being in church, your community, if you're able to learn such a skill and able to transfer, so you are giving impact, okay, it's fair enough, and it makes you not to lose yourself. So now let's break it down. Digital skills open doors. So you could learn how to design using Canva, managing social media pages, running ads, all of these things, or even start your own YouTube channel like I have started already. And the good thing is that you do not need a tech background. What I studied in the polytechnic versus what I am doing now is far different. The only thing I have is the basics, or was the basics: how to turn on the PC, use Word, basic Microsoft Word, okay, tools. Those were the things I could do, all right, until I decided to start learning about digital skills, and now I can tell you that I have improved. If you'd ask me any question within my terrain, I will be able to give you a lot of details about it. All you need is your willingness, okay, to learn something. Start from somewhere. There are tools like YouTube. You're going to learn how to do. There are a lot of tutorials up here that you can learn, and Coursera, Udemy, talk about them, Skillset Africa, and you can also work from anywhere. So now it means that those times that you'll be using in scrolling and surfing the internet will be reduced to doing something more productive by learning something 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, okay, to enhance your digital skills. You realize that with the right tools, you are able to turn your home, all right, into a small office space. I mean, your PC, phone, ring light, and you are doing one thing or the other, editing a video for a client, okay, designing a designing a flyer, a poster, logo for someone who needs it, who doesn't have that skill. And then this is where it even gets interesting. It helps you to stay relevant, because of course, if someone doesn't know something and you know it, and you are the one going to do it for the person, you are relevant. The world is moving very fast, and you just can't sit back and say, oh, I'm a stay-at-home mom. No, sis, you are empowered. You have what it takes, yes, to turn your trajectories around. And learning a digital skill is how you step into your power. And let me tell you this, if I have done this, you can equally do this. When I started with social media, digital marketing and all that, you should see me. I was all over the place designing with Canva. Although there are simple templates, it was so new that I made a lot of mistakes. I still make mistakes, okay? I won't say that I'm a pro in designing, but I know those basic knowledge, okay, when it comes to graphic design. When I see a design, I know what goes into it, okay, to make it balanced and all that. And so now I can set up a social media, any social media account you want me to set up for you, from being LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. In fact, I can manage and ensure that your TikTok gets the number you need, alright, to unlock your live sessions and all that. And that is because I decided to be more curious and not to be too afraid to fail and to start from somewhere. So I honestly do not know what is stopping you. Let's drop in the comments which digital skill you'd like to learn. Or if this is so new to you, just type in the comments, I am ready. I will reply with some ideas and resources that can get you started. Now do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this video very useful. And hey, feel free to share it with another mom, because we rise by lifting each other. This is Sarah Amshika reminding you that your season at home can also be your season of growth. Yes. Now let's grow, glow, and go digital together. Thank you and see you in the next video.